Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. My mom and dad bought this washer and dryer combo a couple months back now, and the washing machine here has this drawer on it, this pedestal or whatever you call it, that makes it obviously quite a bit higher, which is more annoying than it should be. So my mom has mentioned she wanted to, she asked if I thought it could be taken off, and I'm pretty sure it's a pretty simple thing, so I figured I'd take a video in case someone has the same thing and they wanted to take their drawer off as well. So usually there's just some, looks like there's a 1/4 inch screw here holding the drawer on, probably one on the other side. Yeah, one on this side too, so I'll grab a 1/4 inch nut driver and take those off, and then take the drawer out, and then I should be able to flip this thing on its side and take off whatever's left, like the pedestal. So. Alright, now I think this thing should somewhat be able to come free. There might be a couple more, but we'll see. Yeah, kind of have to slide the little tub or whatever it's called out of off the slides. I got a feeling I'm gonna end up having to turn the water off, because I don't think there's quite enough room on these hoses to flip the thing on its side without. I think I need to disconnect them, so I'm gonna turn the water off and pull those off quick. Freaking, did the Hulk put this on or what? Now we can get this thing on its side. Good time for me to clean under there again. Well, knocked the camera over, but got it over. Now I just gotta get back in there. What's left holding this thing? Is it these? No. Oh, here we go. Looks like some 5/16 nuts. So maybe 5/16. No, I was gonna say 7, but that's 5, I think. So, oh my, I don't even need to go get any. Need to get that one out. Not so much on that one. Okay, I'll be back when I have the right wrench. Alright, that appears to be the only things holding on, so looks like I got 2 more of them on the bottom, and pretty sure after that Bob should be my auntie. Actually, I think I will have to take these feet off probably and put them on to the dryer so you can level it. But there we go. So it looks like these feet just unscrew like that. I assume they just screw right into here. Alright, we'll obviously do that with all 4 of them. And then once I get it back up, I'll grab a level, and then I will, if it's not, I mean, I'm assuming if I just start with it pretty much all the way in, or however close to this one I can get, then it'll be pretty close to level, but we'll see. Okay, they're all somewhat close to the same, so now I should be able to flip it up. I think it's way heavier than our old washer.
Yeah, and that, even that, like.
That's pretty close right now, what level it is to begin with. Alright, well, you know what? That's not bad. I don't know how much. I mean, it's pretty close, so I'm gonna just try and lock it there. Maybe try and twist it a little bit over here, but a bit more, I think. Alright, just a hair. There we go. Okay. Alright, now I just gotta hook everything back up and it should be good. Down here, see. So once you get it level, then you can slide them up until they're doing their job. Alright, got it level. Now I can slide it back, and I put the lock nuts on, so now I can slide it back up. If we do, they'd be in the... What sound?
That sound.
This one?
Hey, what is that in your mouth?
Tape measure.
Why?
Oh,
Hey,
look at all this stuff in his
hey,
bag.
Echo.
He's busy working, honey.
Why you have a tape measure in your mouth?
Because that's a camera.
Oh.
This is a tape measure.
That is tape measure. Hey, Echo, what does it do?
It measures.
Tells
See?
you how long something.
Look how tall you are.
Look at James. Look what I got at work. Apples and they're really yummy oranges.
Nana, see Nana.
What?
Nana, let me see those mixing.
You can't just eat these mint things.
Nana, I'll shave them for you.
I'm sure you won't save them. I'll give you one more.
Hey,
But
Nana, Father, shave
There we go.
them.